Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset a JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Restoring your Flip 5 to its default factory settings restores the speaker settings to what they were when you took it out of the box for the first time. Specifically, everyone who is paired with your portable speaker will be kicked off the device, and if you changed your speaker to play audio in low frequency or some other mode, the Flip 5 will return to its normal mode. But restoring your JBL Flip 5 to its factory settings isn't just good for kicking people off of your Bluetooth speaker. You should restore your JBL Bluetooth speaker's factory defaults before selling it to someone or giving it to a friend or a family member, and it's also one of the standard troubleshooting options you should go to before moving on to more drastic measures, such as taking your speaker apart. Resetting your JBL Flip 5 to its default factory settings only takes a few seconds. And now let's walk through the steps to factory reset the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Step 1. Turn your Flip 5 on and then make sure the device is powered on. You can tell the device is on when the power button has a blue backlight. Step 2. Hold both the volume up and play buttons down until the device turns off by itself. This will take roughly 5 seconds. You can tell the device is powered down when the blue backlight behind the power button is no longer on and when you hear this power down sound. At this point, you have successfully reset the JBL Flip 5 to its default factory settings. Step 3. Press the power button again to power the Bluetooth speaker back on. The device will automatically be in discovery mode, which is indicated by this pinging sound you'll hear after turning the device on and by the blinking of the backlight behind the Bluetooth button. At this point, there are no devices paired with your JBL Flip 5 speaker, and you'll need to pair a device with the Bluetooth speaker to hear audio through it. Let me know what you think about your JBL Flip 5 in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.